Ever hit the brakes and suddenly see that ABS warning light turn on? Or maybe your brake pedal feels weird, the car skids, or you hear a buzzing noise under the hood. Today, we're breaking down the ABS pump, what it does, why it fails, and how you can fix it before it becomes a dangerous and expensive problem. Stay tuned, because understanding this one part can save your entire braking system. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more car repair guides and automotive explanations. Now let's jump straight into what the ABS pump actually does. The ABS pump is the heart of the anti-lock braking system. It includes two major components. 1. ABS hydraulic pump controls brake fluid pressure. 2. ABS control module, the brain that sends signals together. They pump brake fluid to each wheel impulses when you brake hard. The ABS module tells the pump to release and reapply pressure very quickly, up to 15 times per second. When the ABS pump starts failing, your car won't stop the same way. Here are the most common signs. 1. ABS warning light on, pump isn't responding, or there is a communication error. 2. Brake pedal feels hard or soft, faulty pump equals unstable brake pressure. 3. Grinding or buzzing noise, pump motor is failing or stuck. 4. Car skids during hard braking, ABS system isn't activating. 5. Speed sensor light or traction control light, because ABS works with traction control. If you see any of these symptoms, the car is warning you that your braking system is compromised. You don't always have to guess. Here's how to diagnose it properly. Step 1. Scan the ABS system. Use an OBD scanner that supports ABS codes. Common ABS pump error codes: CO110 ABS pump motor, CO265 ABS module fault code, 35 CO050 wheel speed sensors. Step 2. Check wheel speed sensor. Sometimes the issue isn't the pump, but a dirty or broken sensor. Step 3. Test voltage at the ABS pump connector. If the pump gets power but doesn't work, gives pump motor failure. Step 4. Look for fluid leakage. ABS pump can fail due to internal leakage. Now let's talk about fixing the ABS pump. Depending on the issue, you have several options. Fix option 1. Clean or replace wheel speed sensors. Cost $20, $80 each. Often solves ABS issues cheaply. Fix option 2. Replace ABS pump relay or fuse. Cost $5, $25. A blown fuse can shut down the whole ABS pump. Fix 3. Repair ABS pump motor. Cost $100, $200. Some motors get stuck. Cleaning or replacing brushes can fix it. Fix for replace ABS pump and control module. Cost $300, $1,000 plus. If the pump is totally dead, replacement is the only option. Fix 5. Reprogram or rebuild ABS module. Cost $150, $300. Many ABS modules can be rebuilt instead of fully replaced. After repairing the ABS unit, the system must be bled using a skin tool with ABS bleeding mode. To make your ABS pump last longer, change brake fluid every 2 years. Keep wheel sensors clean. Avoid driving with low brake fluid. Fix brake warning lights immediately. Small maintenance can save an expensive repair later. And that's everything you need to know about your ABS pump: how it works, why it fails, and how to fix it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment what car issue you want explained next. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.